next question, which is regarding cheetahs. Again, cheetahs are in news, right? So here, if you look into the options, first option is right, right? Because see, male cheetahs, like male siblings, right, within the family, right, they will create a coalition, right? So they will create coalition is nothing but the group of cheetahs, right? So they will create a coalition upon attaining maturity, right? Because it will act as a defense as well as it will act as an advantage for such group of cheetahs to attack prey, right? So first option is right here. Whereas female cheetah, upon attaining maturity, they will create their own small independent groups rather than male cheetahs. They will create coalitions, right? So first option is right here. And second option, they practice visual hunting by climbing higher grounds and trees. That is absolutely true. If you look into the cheetahs, predation, it will either climb into a tree or say to any upper location, say on above a rock, in order to have a visual glimpse of the prey, right? So that is nothing but visual hunting. So second option is also right here. Whereas third option, see, tear marks on the faces of cheetahs will act as a kind of sunscreen, right? So it will help to reflect the sunlight also, right? So all the given options are correctly matched here. So option number C is the right answer for question number 59.